Your Eudochie can only deceive you people. Yes. Yo can deceive you guys, but it cannot deceive me. I tell you. I say make una not trust yo. It cannot be trusted. Not just trust him for anything. Shebi don dey show now who he be now. Yo can cry and beg you now. He feel like that for grand they beg you. May you follow and beg me. Yo can waste your time all day begging you to beg me for him. You feel leave everything wey they do at the last minute. Yo go spoil everything for you. Una never know yo. I not tell una say this guy nowhere. Even though he well and they pretend to know, I don't know what is wrong with him. I don't even know where to start for the whole matter. That is it, the truth. Where to start from the matter, so we don't know. Because there's a lot of things inside this matter where people don't know. And I try to make people understand, say, this person, yo, not be the kind of person going to say BB. No. Our sister talk and say this guy is dangerous. When I see what he do me, they want to have a secret meeting with his brothers and a papa and me. Now see what he do. So what about if May follow them go secret meeting? Can even May follow them do that secret meeting? Can May follow them to go do that secret meeting at all? And a curse. Because of your behavior and character. A curse. When I say a curse now, I mean if you notice a curse. Look at your behavior today. He not go put you for the compound. Who is fighting for you against? Hello? Social media now is on fire. Everybody they fight each other because of you. You go take all of on head, eh? You go hit them. At the end of the day, una will get enemy. Una will carry enemy within each other. Because of who? You. If brothers and they fight and doubt each other. Because when you tell them something, this guy will carry the information, go give to the Austin. How can you work with that kind of person? Pete Eudochie, sir. I know you give 14 days to Judy to the gold digger to leave. 14 days to leave your son's house. We are all waiting patiently to see how the matter will go. All of us, they wait to see how it will go. But before then, see what Judy they do right now. Look at what he's doing now. Una eye. Una not say they cause trouble everywhere for una. Una not say they leak una secret right now. If they carry una secret, go they say, give Judy to the gold digger. Yo get mind to tell the papa. Say, tell and say, I am not coming to the meeting or Sunday. This Sunday, which should be tomorrow, then they're supposed to get a secret meeting with May. Look at the one he did with Mr. Ned Nwoko. Everything you discuss with you, pass this information. Share this video. If you be your friend, anything you discuss with them, and you don't want Judy Austin to hear, don't install Judy Austin. Anything you tell or do or say to you, you must carry and go give Judy Austin to the gold digger. He go tell her everything, and what will happen? The Ekwensu gold digger will make sure that they attack you. Now make his family now they fear. The family now they fear. The brother self they go back. Because anything you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. You see, huh? We call it bonsha. They call it bonsha. The highest authority of the highest level. Yo, they tell the family, say. You not talk, say. You not go, say. You are on your own if you are working. If you are still working with yo. Now you know. Because he go sell you out. Where he can't sell your papa out. Who be you, we know if he say out. Where you say message, tell papa say that secret meeting is not going to come. And what is the secret meeting for? To go and beg me. If nothing else they there, why would not call a secret meeting? Why? Oh God. See the way the matter they go now. Una see the way the matter they go now. See the can people we may want to work with. These people cannot be trusted. So may be wise. If you can betray his family like this to Judy Ekwensu, who be May? If you can leak the secret of the family to Judy Ekwensu, who be May? Tell me what it may know. Past where you never tell me nothing. You don't tell Judy Ekwensu everything about me, and that is the truth, but not by truth. So now that power now Judy Ekwensu get where she thinks that she they use for me. You see, I hope I don't see how they go. Don't work with you. You are going to regret it. You do secret meeting with you. You are on your own. The next day, they don't carry your first name and last name to the married kiddo. The next minute, they'll carry your name to the queens. The next minute, you know, so you go visit Babalawo. Everything will be on you. Because yo is going to sell you out. The way you say Papa and the brothers out. Now they are all fighting each other. Yo go tell this brother something else. He go tell the senior one something else. He go tell Lick something else. He turn all of their head against each other. Yo is very good at that, guys. If you don't know it now. It cannot be trusted. You cannot work with yo. Yo know a person you're supposed to work with. So be careful. What do you talk or do? Everybody is fighting each other because of yo. If you discuss it and finish, you go carry go. Then parents will be Judy Queens who go carry go give to that people. Now what they don't they do with that? And they have been doing this for a very long time. Not be saying just start as at the first time. No. So if you like, make you hear. If you like, don't hear. And another message for me, stop doing secret meeting with them. Don't go secret meeting with them. Don't let them. You remember, if you remember the first word when me talk, he said, I cannot be cajoled to accept what I don't want to accept. I cannot be cajoled to accept polygamy. She means everything that she's saying. She knows that these people can cajole you, they can brainwash you to do what you're not supposed to do, to accept what you don't want to accept. So please, maybe while standing by your word, don't forfeiting. Stand by your word. Don't forfeiting. Don't do it. Don't play. They said, according to the black guy, say all of you will learn. Now I want to use my brain. With this one, I brother here, we not correct. See life, secret meeting with yo. Ah, God.